So this is a question, paper 1. It came with 2 marks. Never mind this one, never mind. This is 2 marks. This is the information that you're supposed to read. This question is based on algorithms. The question reads, a diagram below is an incomplete program flowchart to calculate the curved surface area, which is S of a cone with base radius R and slant height L. Complete the flowchart below by writing appropriate statements in the blank symbols. So here, first of all, a cone might look like this. This is your radius. This is your slant height. So the curved surface area, it means the part which is curved, the part which is curved, the part which is curved. So the formula is, the full formula can be surface area, which is S, is equal to, the full formula will be pi r L. That's the full formula for finding the curved surface area of a cone, pi r L. So here, on this input or output, we are going to write enter. Remember, always after begin we write enter. So now, what should we enter? Enter these two letters, R representing radius and slant height representing L. So R, comma, L. This is what you're supposed to do. Now, if you check the full formula, we didn't write pi, we didn't write surface area, right? We didn't write pi, we didn't write the surface area. We just wrote RL. RL is appearing after the equal sign of the full formula, and RL were mentioned in the information. So this is what you do. So you don't write everything on this input. When you say enter, you don't write everything. You write what appears after the equal sign and has been mentioned in the information. Now, this rectangle that we call process and algorithm, we write the full formula, which is this one already. So S is equal to pi. Now, under this topic, algorithm, times we write as star. So the pi here, times, so write star R star L. So you have your 1 mark, your 1 mark. So output, it means when you use your formula, you get the answer. Then the program will end. This is what you're supposed to do. So this is another question extracted from 2018 internal exam. So we read the question. This was paper 1. In the answer space below is an incomplete program in pseudocode. So pseudocode we write in words, flowchart, which is written with shapes. Remember this one? This is a flowchart. A pseudocode will be written in words because it's a translation. So in the answer space below is an incomplete program in pseudocode to calculate the circumference of a circle of latitude x degrees given the radius r, capital R, of the Earth. Complete the program by filling in the blank spaces with appropriate statements. So ignore this. This is not part of this question. So this is a pseudocode. Let us complete. Now you need to ask yourself, what's the full formula for finding the circumference of a circle? So we already learned under Earth geometry, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r cos x degrees. So 2 pi r cos x degrees. This is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle. Now begin, enter. What should you enter? Make sure what should enter here must appear after the equal sign and must be mentioned in the information. You can see x degrees was mentioned and radius r was mentioned. So enter r, x degrees. You don't enter everything, remember? You enter what has been mentioned in the information and what appears after the equal sign. So here it means that even if you didn't know the full formula, you can at least answer the part for entry, because these letters you get them from the information given. Then C means the full formula. The full formula is this one. So it will be circumference is equal to 2 times, so write star, pi star r star cos x degrees. Once you enter your formula, you are going to have the output, meaning the outcome of using the formula, meaning the answer. Then the program will end. This is what you're supposed to do in paper 1. So now ask yourself, if this was a complete pseudocode, how can we write a flowchart using this information? So flowchart, the oval, begin, you write begin, arrow down, enter, you write a parallelogram, which is the input. So you write enter, copy and paste, enter r, x degrees, arrow down. C, that's the formula, circumference formula. Use process, which is a rectangle. Circumference is equal to, copy what is there, 2 times pi times r times cos x degrees, arrow down. What is here? Output C, it means same as display, same as the same symbol parallelogram, because it shows the output. So you also copy and paste output C. Then it was begin. Here the program must end. So this is what you are supposed to do.